Assalamu alaikum students. This video lecture is for pre-9th class subject English A lesson number 6. Students, in last video lecture we did its first half grammar and today we will do its second grammar in which denotation and connotation is involved. Okay ji, denotation is the literal meaning or dictionary meaning of a word. It has the specific or particular meaning of a word. The words which are meanings which are given in dictionary, that is denotation. The words house and home, for example, have the same denotation, a building where people live, but the word home has a connotation of warmth and family, while the word house does not. Okay, and now here we have a definition of denotation. What is denotation? Denotation is a literal or dictionary meanings of the words. For example, the word snake in a dictionary will have the denotative meaning scaly and legless. The denotation therefore refers to the most basic or specific meaning of a word. Okay, it means that the words which have some specific meanings, which have the meanings in dictionary, particular meanings, those are denotation. Next is what is connotation. Connotation means that in denotation there are words which have meaning, specific meanings or particular meanings which are given in dictionary, but connotation means that the words whose meanings are given according to context, according to our context. Connotation is a feeling or idea that a word has in addition to its literal or main meaning. For example, this cloth is affordable. Affordable sounds much better than cheap, because the word cheap also implies low quality. For example, imagine the difference between describing someone as a strong woman or a sturdy woman. Because of these words connotations, the first implies that she is strong emotionally, while the second implies that she is sturdy physically. Okay, and here we have a definition of connotation and some examples. Look at this. What is connotation? Connotation, on the other hand, refers to the idea that is suggested by or associated with a word. The connotative meaning of a word exists together with the denotative meaning. The connotations of the word snake could include evil or danger. It has the connotation of someone who cannot be trusted. Connotation can be positive or negative. Students, connotation can be positive or negative. In positive connotation, there are words which whose meanings are given in positive connotation, and some words are in which their meanings are given in negative connotation. We have an example. For example, the word thin can have a positive connotation of smart and a negative connotation of skinny. Same like this, there are some examples in your textbook which you will solve by yourself, and you will learn this connotation and denotation at your home. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.